Hey guys, how's it going today? So today our search for Groudon EX continues. I pulled 2 Kyogre EXs out of booster packs in the last couple of days, and now we're looking for the Groudon out of the double crisis packs. So without wasting any time, let's get right down to it. First up here we have Carnivine, Carvanha, Grimer, Mightyena, Team Magma Secret Base, Team Aqua's Great Ball, Lairon, and Walrein. Next pack up we have Celio, Safeel, Zangoose, Team Magma Grunt, Aqua Diffuser, Double Aqua Energy, shiny type there, and another Walrein shiny. There's not a lot of variety in these packs. You know, you get a lot of Walreins, a lot of Mightyenas. Another Mightyena. Celio, get a lot of these. Seviper, not too many of those. Team Aqua's Secret Base. Double Magma Energy. Muck. Shiny one there. A lot of Grimers. First Muck I've pulled out of these packs. And a shiny Seviper. Look at that. One more pack here, and then I'll be giving away a code for the online Pokemon game. So we have another Celio, another Carvanha, Grimer, Magma Pointer, Team Aqua Grunt, Mightyena, shiny, and Claydol. Alrighty, so we didn't get any Groudon EXs in this pack, but I'm going to keep looking. And in the meantime, here's our code for the day. Alrighty, I hope that helps somebody out. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.